Managing a homeowners association involves coordinating payments, maintenance requests, communications, and compliance, all while keeping residents informed and happy. PayHOA is a modern, cloud-based HOA management platform built specifically for self-managed communities and property managers looking to streamline operations. In this video, we'll walk you through PayHoa's most important features, explain how they benefit HOAs, and show why it's become a go-to platform for efficient community management in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the automated dues and payment processing. PayHoa allows associations to automate recurring dues, assessments, and other charges. Homeowners can pay online via credit card, ACH, or bank draft, and payments are automatically tracked and reconciled in the system. This reduces manual bookkeeping, improves cash flow, and makes it easy for residents to stay current on payments. Another key feature is the accounting and financial management. The platform offers full accounting capabilities, including income tracking, expense management, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting. You can generate balance sheets, budgets, and profit/loss statements directly from your dashboard. This ensures financial transparency and simplifies end-of-year reporting and budgeting. Another key feature is the resident communication tools. You can send announcements, alerts, or newsletters to homeowners via email, text, or portal messages. You can also create community-wide or individual communications and track delivery status. This keeps residents informed, improves engagement, and reduces miscommunications. So why is PayHoa a great choice? PayHoa is tailored to the unique needs of homeowner associations. Its intuitive dashboard, mobile accessibility, and automation tools make it easy to manage everything from finances to violations in one platform. The software scales with your needs, so whether you're managing a small condo association or a large residential community. In 2025, it continues to stand out for its affordability, ease of use, and support for self-managed HOAs that want to operate professionally without the cost of a third-party manager. Frequent updates and excellent customer support also make PayHoa a reliable long-term solution. So basically, managing an HOA doesn't have to be overwhelming. With PayHoa, you get all the tools you need to streamline payments, handle maintenance requests, and communicate with residents effectively, all in one platform. So if you're looking to simplify your community management and improve transparency, PayHoa is a smart, modern choice for 2025 and beyond. So get started with PayHoa today and bring clarity, efficiency, and professionalism to your HOA operations. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.